Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Battlefield 6 DXGI Error Device Hung, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Battlefield 6. So first of all, you're going to open up your AMD Adrenalin Edition and then you're going to go into Performance, you're going to go into Tuning here, and here what you're going to do is you're going to click on to Custom here, and then you're going to click on to GPU Tuning, click Advanced Control here, go into Fine Tuning Controls, and here what you need to do is you just need to set the frequency down on all of these phases. So just set the frequency down by 100 on all of them. So I have 800 here, I'm going to set this to 700. I have 1290 here, I'm going to set this to 1190. I have 1780 here, I'm going to set this to 1680. And after you do that, what you're going to do now is you're going to click apply here, and then you're going to go ahead and play Battlefield 6, and you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.